Hello and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a diamond sword from Minecraft. These are the colors that you'll be needing. Some turquoise, some blue, white, brown, black, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag fingerpaintingstar to be featured as our artist of the week. Now let's begin. I have to have a photo of the sword from Minecraft in front of me because it's very precise and almost mathematical. And we don't have square fingers, so we're just going to use our fingers as dots. I'm gonna go in with this aqua color, this turquoise color, and we are going to make 9 dots on top of each other. 1, 2, just straight up and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to actually put one at the top. 9, because I don't want to run out of room. Okay, so we've got our 9 main turquoise colors. Now I'm going to take this color and I'm going to use it to make other colors. So taking this color, I'm going to actually add some white to it, some of our white. Use a clean finger for my white, then let's mix that together. This is going to create our light turquoise color for on the sides of our diamonds. So taking that color, I'm going to put 1 on either end of our turquoise, so there will be 8 on each side because we're going to subtract 1. So 1 dot, 2, 2. So if we're doing 8 on each side, how many does that make? There's a math question for you. You never thought that you would be doing math while you're finger painting, did you? Well, finger painting and painting in general uses a lot of things like math and science. I'm gonna mix up lots of that light blue color because I'm gonna need it. Okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got to do 4 more on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many light turquoise dots do we have? Do you know? Can you guess? 16. 16 turquoise dots. I'm actually going to kind of draw a little, I'm going to tie these in together. Okay, there's 16 on either side. Now we are going to do our blue on either side of those turquoise ones. So because we're subtracting 1 more, we're going to do 7 on each side. So let's go in with our blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dots on that side. Let's do 7 on this side. 7, 8, 9. How many are we gonna get? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. Excellent. Okay. Now we're going to take this color and we're going to make the top of our sword. So using this, we're actually going to make 5 different dots. So, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. There is our 5. There's the point of our sword. Again, it's very round, but that's because we have round fingers and not square fingers. But we're still going to make it look a bit like this sword. I'm going to actually just take my finger and smooth that out. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, now it is time for the bottom of our sword. So we've got a little bit going on here, but we need to have a very dark color. So we're going to take our black color and we're going to mix in with a clean finger some of our green, some of our turquoise, but we're going to make this a very dark turquoise. We're actually going to make 2 colors of turquoise. So maybe that's the color of one of our turquoises, but the other one we're going to add more black. More black. We want this so dark that it's almost black, but not really. It's got a little bit of light in there. So we're going to actually make both of our colors at the same time. So, all the colors on my finger. Take a little bit of black, and we're just going to mix this up. So this is our lighter turquoise, our lighter dark turquoise color, and that is our super dark turquoise color. So, cleaning my finger off, I don't want to lose any of that paint. I'm going to go in with this really dark color, and I'm going to do 2 dots on either side. So we have 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, and now we're going to take this lighter color, this lighter dark color, and that is going to be the central part of our hilt. A hilt is the area that you hold on the sword. That is the technical name for it. So there is our hilt, and now we're going to do 2 of these dark light turquoises right next to that, but underneath our black color. And 1, 2 on either side. Go back into our black, and we're going to do 2 on either side of that. 1, 2. 1, 2. Fill that in a little bit more. Okay. And I'm going to do 1, 2 on either side. Now we've got a black one that is going to be here on either one. Okay, and now our sword's going to go this way. So I'm going to take our lighter dark color, and I'm going to put 1 right here on either side. This is where the grip guard is. I was very fascinated with swords when I was younger. And so a grip guard is the part that goes over the hilt, or the part of the sword that protects your hand from going up into the blade. It's got a very good use. It's very important. So now we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do the same to the other side. 1, 2, 3. And there is our grip guard. So now we just have to do the handle. I think I'm going to run out of space for my handle. I didn't give myself enough room. Taking my brown, I'm just going to do a light dot of brown and a dark dot and a light dot. I'm running out of room. I made my fingers are too big. All right. Dark dot, light dot, and then I'm going to take this off the paper, but you're going to be able to see what I would do. I'm going to do 1 more there, and then I'm going to take our darker color, and I'm just going to go So we have one on the top of each of that. We're gonna do one there on either side. One here on either side. There. And then I'm just going to go around this light turquoise, this light dark turquoise, and 8. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it just makes triangle. We're just going to make a triangle. Since we ran off the paper anyways, it would have been 8. There we go. Okay. Ta-da! There you have it. We totally ran off the page, and I know that it didn't all get caught so that you can see it. Let me shift it up a little bit. All right, there is our Minecraft diamond sword. What do you guys think? Did you have fun? Did you paint along with me? I'd love to see what your diamond sword looks like. It's probably even better than mine, I bet. I can't wait to see it. Be sure to use the hashtag in the description, or you can go on Instagram and hashtag it finger painting star. And that is all, you guys. Until next time, sending lots of love. Bye!